Hey guys, welcome back to it. It's your girl Robin, and today we are going to be learning how to make stickers on Procreate. This is actually something I just recently got into, so if you guys have any advice or tips and tricks, please leave them below because I would love to check it out and try out new things. So the first thing I did was I found an image online that I liked, and I really wanted to make a pink drink from Starbucks because I love those. So I found the image that I wanted to use, and then I downloaded it and I put it as a first initial layer in Procreate. Personally, I like my stickers and designs to have a black outline, so I start out by doing all the outlining that I need to, and don't worry, later on you can change the way that your layers are set so that you can make the black lines appear on top of your color, which I really like. So I always do my outline to start out with and then go back in and do all my coloring. So that's what I'm doing right here, is outlining everything in black. Once I've got the basic black outline done, I go in and start doing some small colors, so things like the straw or the whipped cream on top of the coffee, things like that. I go in, and again, like I said earlier, you can mess around and change the way your layers sit, and I really like that. So I like to do the outline in a separate layer from all the other colors. That way I can bring that outline on top of my color and it makes it pop, and you'll be able to see later on how I do that and how I make that effect happen. But here's me just filling in the whipped cream and getting that started. About halfway through, I like to go through and do the tedious work of cleaning up edges, filling color where there's gaps and things like that. I do it halfway through and then again at the end, just to kind of catch all my errors as I'm going, and that way I catch things now that I can fix before I get to the end. So I take the back layer off so I can see where all those gaps are, and I go in and fill in like I'm doing right here with the pink part, connecting lines, things like that, to make it just come together a little bit more. I debated for a while whether I was going to put a symbol or not on my green little circle here, but I ended up doing it just because I thought it looked cute. I didn't do the one that originally was in the picture. I actually found a picture on Google that I liked a little bit better and just kind of freehanded it and tried it out that way. And I ended up really liking the way it looks, and I do think it brought the whole sticker together just a little bit more, having the logo. It just tied it all together and made it look cute. Okay, so here again, I go in and take the back layer off so I can see where I am missing color throughout my entire picture, and go in and fill in all of those spots and do all my final touches to make it look cohesive and all go together and really super cute in my opinion. I really liked the way this turned out. I was kind of skeptical about it at first, but it ended up looking decently cute, I think. So here's me just filling in all those spots and doing that. Here's me again, just going through, getting those details all figured out so that it looks super cute when it's all done. Here is me working on another sticker. This is my You Crock Me Up sticker. I did kind of the same process here. I was about 3/4 of the way done when I started recording this one though. I'm going in and putting the pink in, gonna go do some detailing and then put some wording on there. So I kind of just wanted to show you guys what it would look like. A different style of sticker, a different type, and then also with that wording on the bottom as well, how I go about doing that. So right here, I bring in that template that I want to use for my wording, and then I just go through and kind of go over the top of it, but make the handwriting unique in my own. I really liked how this one looked cut out per se, with this white background. So I went through and created that white background actually towards the end and put that layer close as a back layer, and then put all the other layers on top of it, and then went through and fine-tuned it once the sticker was on top and it looked good. And I like this kind of cutout look, so if somebody buys it as a transparent sticker, it'll come out with this white edging, and if they buy it on a white matte sticker, it'll all be, the entire background will be white, which I think is really cute and unique and definitely gives your stickers a little bit of flair. And here are some more of the examples that I have done of stickers that are on my Redbubble account. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and sticking through with me. Like I said, I'm pretty new to this, so if you have any tips or tricks, let me know. And I will link my Redbubble down below. Thank you guys so much for watching.